Too many times. You guys all rolling?
Yeah.
Riley, interview, take one, marker.
I'm Riley. I'm the warehouse manager here at Proline, and our team here works really hard to be detail oriented and to spot things that the normal eye would not see. The entire purpose of Proline would to be to make sure that each customer is happy with the hood in their home, that it runs the way they expect it to run, and that they want to share this with their family and friends. In the early days of Proline, we had anything like a brand new company would. We had problems, we had challenges, and one of the big things was tracking the quality that left our warehouse. And as far as something getting to a customer and not working correctly, so Mark ended up making this tracking system so that we could know which hoods and when they arrived to our warehouse, and then also to when they arrived at a customer's home. And if they had a product that ended up being faulty or something is wrong with it, we could then track that back to the man on the line, the first guys working on that hood. And with that, we could then relay information to the factory so that we could get that fixed. As far as drop shipping, anything can happen from the factory to the customer. FedEx could get it and beat the crap out of it before they drop it off at the customer's house. We want it to be seen by us, to know what we are putting out, and we want it to leave our warehouse the way that Mark wants it to. He wants to be able to say, all right, if I took this and put it in my home, would I be happy with it? And if he says no, then there's something wrong there. But if he says yes, then we're doing our job right as far as inspecting and testing each hood. When the containers arrive, every product has a serial number placed on it. That serial number is then scanned and placed in the warehouse in a specific spot. Each location is set up so that we know how to access that range hood or what inventory count is in that spot. So after that has taken place, that product is scanned into an area, the order comes in. We then check that area, make sure that we have the hood, pull the hood, scan it again for when it ships out. That way we know that product has left the warehouse and our inventory count can be knocked down one. We go through that effort because our customer service agents love to know how many hoods we have, so that if there has been something purchased and it's out of stock, they can either help a customer to switch over to a different hood, or when someone is looking for a hood, we want to be able to steer them away from stuff that is out of stock so that the customer can then get that product as soon as possible. So if you were to walk onto our bay today, you'd see Guadalupe. We call him the doctor. He's out there, he's taking hoods, and anything that's dinged or dented, we give to him. He can pull that out and make it look like it wasn't there before. You'll also see Jake. He's wonderful at the dings and dents. He'll pull things that have been damaged, and you think, okay, we're just gotta toss that hood. Give it to Jake. He'll fix it, and he'll make it look like it's brand new. Kyle, he'll be testing and inspecting every single 185. He'll rip through 30 of those within, I don't know, an hour, just because he knows the hood so well. Victor, he's always getting the hoods to the guys fast. He knows where everything is in the warehouse, and you don't need to tell him twice.
Okay, I think we're good then, guys. Let's cut. Thank you so much.
Yeah.